So you guys, it is 6:06. I'm trying to get to the front of the ship so I can see the sunrise. I don't know how I'm supposed to get there though. I told you I just got out the hot tub, right? And my glasses made a mark. My lashes. Maybe I could go upstairs, or maybe not. I just want to see the. I just want to go to the front of the ship. Oh no, I can't. Okay, downstairs we go. Shit. Damn, too much booty in the pants. Too much booty in the pants. Hey, too much booty in the pants. You guys can see, right? At first it was pitch black. Now it's like a little blue. So that's how I know it's coming up. Bro, what the what floor do I have to go to? Damn. I guess I can't go up anymore. Oh, that is so beautiful. It's really not. You really can't see what I see. It is so pretty. Oh yes. Oh my gosh. It is so beautiful. How do I get to the front of the ship? So cozy. On land tomorrow. Y'all know how many days I've been just on this boat? Yeah. Oh, did you come to watch the sunrise?
Yeah, I did.
Oh.
Isn't it so pretty?
It is. It's very beautiful. I just don't like that I can't get to like the front, the head of the boat, you know? So I could really see it.
There's no way to even like get up there.
Yeah. But still, it's lovely. Yeah, I went up there. I tried to at least.
Yeah.
And I couldn't, so.
I'm gonna just grab a few pictures.
Oh yeah, for sure. Y'all good. You guys, I've been on this boat for 3 consecutive days. So, wake up, go to sleep, on the boat. But I'm gonna let her have her moment, and I'm gonna take some pictures, and yeah. It's currently 6:12, so.
JB Morrow, go and get your bag.
I should probably go this way. We're on our first port. I don't know where my lip gloss are. Wait, I think I have one in my bag. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the island. I'm gonna try to. I don't remember. I think this is St. Kitts. Really, really beautiful. The water is blue. Look at the boat. Oh, I can't even get it all in the frame. The boat is huge. And there's some other boats on the same island. I'm gonna see if I can get that too for you guys. So
take when niggas go missing. This job here, you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love life is finished. I've been avoiding commitment. That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in. No friends, no. You know how this shit go. You got your fair share of the call you up, they call your phone. You try to act like it's just me, but I've been not alone.
picture?
No, thank you. I just got something.
Oh, all right. I saw you look like a beautiful lady.
Thank you.
All right.
But y'all, yeah, I just got some food, y'all, and a mango daiquiri is what this is. I walked over here. I don't want to disrespect nobody's culture and say I'm in a trench, but I'm here by the port. I think it's a ferry port. It's a lot of old heads down here. But he said I had napkins in here. This one napkin. Huh?
You saying I come from ask you for some food?
You want
some food?
You want some food?
Let me play.
Okay.
You good?
Yes. Oh my gosh, everybody's so friendly. Let me put some in here. Brad talk about some, can I ask you for some food, bruh? Y'all, I'm too far from home for a nigga to be coming at me asking for some food. I could have sworn I just heard Nakai. What if somebody else out here is named Nakai? That'd be crazy, right? I've only met one person with my name, and that was on Fortnite. I forgot where he lived at though, but oh, we have some rice, some yellow rice, but these are some fried fish tacos. That's really good. Yeah, I'm sitting right in the sun. Like, sun's right here. Beaming bright as f*** on me. This is where the old heads is at. All around here. That's the port right there. But hopefully, y'all don't heat up and like die on me. I don't know what he said. Something. You look so pretty. Y'all, I'm getting a little bit scared. They keep calling me cute. I'm around it. I don't know. I'm gonna speak it into existence, but around this video ain't gonna come out. You know what I'm saying? Type shit. But this is beans and rice. I mean, yeah, this is like beans and cheese, but like a dip form. And this is. It looks like it has some, not coleslaw, but like carrots, tomatoes. And I already told y'all the fish is fried. This is what the fish looks like.
Brother,
Bro, what the f? I know they ain't give me no fish fillet in it, so. It's good as fuck. Y'all, there are no traffic lights. They don't have no lights. They just keep going. They have speed bumps though. I think that's cool as shit. No lights in that hoe? You got lime?
he fucking that shit up. Oh God.
Stop, y'all are being mean. Eat. That was too funny. You came up talking about some. Can I get some food? Come on now. But I'm gonna eat my food, listen to some music, probably take a couple videos. We're gonna come back when I'm back on my feet.
Right now, probably 10 toes down. Yeah. Getting shot, you don't look this down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through.
The sun is behind me, so you're probably not gonna be able to see me. And I'm like on the side of the street, so it's gonna be loud. But they do have street lights. I just seen like 3. Each one that I came across was green. They're all green. All the street lights are green. And people drive on both sides of the road. Some cars have steering wheels on the left, and some have them on the right. And I think that's so weird. But like the dominant side that they drive on is left. One thing about vlogging, bruh, somebody always gonna stare. Like, they already staring because I look good and I'm fine, you feel what I'm saying? But with the camera out, it's way more. But like the white people I've been walking past, they ain't paying me no mind. They know this is what we do. We pull out cameras and record. Okay, but I'm about to go socialize, chat. So I'm gonna be back later. Okay, chat? Y'all wish me luck. Hopefully this video comes out. Okay.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So right now I'm sitting at a coffee shop. I got an ice water. But I got this dress. I'm gonna show y'all when I get back in. I think I'm gonna throw these fish tacos away. They kind of made my stomach hurt. And now I feel like I'm gonna throw up. But I also went to the beauty supply because I needed some lip gloss and lip liner. So I got these for $4. Even though this was, I think, this was what it said it was $1.99, and this is $7.99. Y'all probably first. It is like a conversion though, because obviously it wasn't $7.99, but. That's a little better than yes. There was this really cute boy who was riding past, honking his horn. He was so fine and chocolate. Like, I love him chocolate. I really do.
Wait a minute.
That was it. I just wanted to update y'all.
12 seconds later.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive.
I don't know if it's 5:36 or 4:36, but it's 5:36. Me and Dara were two out of one more. It was three of us. Me, Nadir, and someone else. We're the last people to get on the boat. Hi.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year's. Happy New Year's. But we're the last people on the boat. Some of the last people. Last three. And what was I saying? Oh yeah. Oh. Look at the little, the little towel. We just got back in.
Okay, thank you so much.
I am hot. I am sweating. But I still look good. So, do I really care if I look good? Probably not.
I did my Instagram story. The picture of me with the monkeys. It says, well, you're each other. Yeah.
So,
Yeah, they pushed
I don't know if I should
I swam under the
go to sleep, or
slime.
go straight back out.
My Instagram.
This bathing suit is so tea. Yeah.
She's pretty. I'll show you her.
I didn't get any water though, so.
Last people to be on.
I wake from my slumber